Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another episode of the Clinical Pharmacist Live. Today, I would be discussing about anticoagulants in hospitalized patients. When we started our career, it was all about heparin, warfarin, and then enoxaparin came and it took over mostly on heparin side. Tindaparin did not made a huge difference. Fondaparinux came. It played a role in heparin thrombocytopenia, induced thrombocytopenia. DOAC came about a decade ago, about 2 decades ago. Rivaroxaban, apixaban, adoxaban, dabigatran came. I was not very much interested because most of them were used in outpatient and not in hospitalized patient. But the recent researches that I have done and I am looking at shows that DOAC will play a significant role in hospitalized patient, and it may replace enoxaparin, especially in medically ill hospitalized patient. It will play. Researchers are showing positive results in that one. So I would suggest all young pharmacists or clinical pharmacists to follow up such research. Uh, Thank you very much.